Hey everybody, it is late at night and I'm Norman. Usually we do unboxing of watches when they arrive here at the studio. Tonight we're unboxing something a little bit different. What in the world am I talking about? We are going to unbox a watch strap. So I ordered this from Etsy. It is from one of my favorite Vietnamese watch strap companies, Tons Leather or Tons Leather. Not sure exactly how it's pronounced, but when you order their straps, they arrive in some really cool packaging that you don't normally see when you order a watch strap. So let's flip the camera around and unbox this thing. Alright, so this is the box that the watch strap arrived in. Tons Leather. Has kind of the cool green texture and some gray all over it there. It's just kind of crazy that a strap arrived in a box like this. So if we open it up, we have another little bit here. Inside the box, there's a card. A thank you card. With some QR codes on it and some information. I don't think I've actually hit their website. I've always just shopped on Etsy. I'll have to look at the Tune store. Very cool. And this is what the strap itself is wrapped in. It's kind of a thick plasticky bag here that ziplocks on one end. And we'll slide the strap out and see what I ordered. So it has a little bit of a texture to it, but it's fairly smooth. It has quick release spring bars because I'm a little bit obsessed with those right now. They're just so handy. We have some branding on the inside there. Just kind of a plain buckle on it. I'm guessing I'll be swapping that out. We'll see how it fits when I put it on the Tudor, but it would be nice to have something polished instead of brushed. And the other end, there's a bit more texturing here where the holes are. And then it gets smoother up at the top. So this is a 19mm wide strap because the Tudor has odd size lugs. The cool thing about these shops on Etsy, at least some of these Vietnamese stores, you can choose the length that you want. And in most cases, you could also choose the taper. So you could do like an 18 to 16 or 18 to 14. It's pretty cool having all of those options. But I'm thinking that this will look pretty amazing on the Tudor. I feel like it's just shiny enough, but not overly glossy. And I feel like that texture is subtle enough to look really dressy and classy on it. I'm pretty excited. These aren't the cheapest straps, but they aren't terrible either. I think this one was around $50, so it could definitely be worse. I mean, it's not a $20 strap, but it's also not a $200 strap, so they seem to hold up pretty well. I have a few of these Vietnamese straps, and one of them is on the Longines Dolce Vita, and that gets a ton of wrist time, and that strap is still doing really well. So, yeah, these are pretty cool. And the packaging they arrive in is just crazy. So there you have it, the brilliant odd lug width watch strap that I purchased for the Tudor, which is currently in the shop. Once that watch arrives, I'm going to put this strap on it and enjoy. Thanks for watching.